Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show how to add testimonials of your customers on your website through websites.co.in platform. Click on the top 3 bars located on the top left, and click on Extra section. Click on the blue button. We are going to add testimonials for this video. Enter the title of the page, like I am adding. This will display on your website. Now enter the description. Basic MS features like bold, italics and underline are also available. Customize the description accordingly. A testimonial is a statement from a past customer that describes how a product or service helped them. This will make a strong website and more trust among your customers. By selecting the text, you can change their size and fonts. More than 50+ color options are available. You can select according to your theme. Features like left and center alignment are also there. Now you can add a call to action button. For example, buy now, or WhatsApp business link to connect. Add the URL for the following. Click on Save to proceed further. Enter your client details. First select the image or an icon. You can filter any icon accordingly as it will display on your website. Add a testimonial title, like a main quote or heading by the customer. In testimonial content, you can elaborate it with the customer reviews. Add the name of the customer. And his or her company's name. Now enter the designation of your customer. This will create a strong goodwill of your company. Click on Save to confirm. Let's check your website by clicking on View. You can also edit your extra section. Adding an image makes your website more professional. You can select it from your smartphone gallery. Click on Save to apply the changes. Thanks for your cooperation. We hope you like it. To delete the extra section, click on the Delete button, and confirm it by clicking on Yes. Thanks for watching, and do like, share and subscribe to our channel. websites.co.in